So binding off knitwise is about the easiest bind off that we can do because it's just all nice knit stitches. So we're going to knit our first 2 stitches, then we're going to begin to bind off. So we're going to take that first stitch we knit and we're going to pass it over the second stitch. Already we've bound off 1 stitch. And you'll see it's going to create kind of a chain. We're going to knit our next stitch, slide that previous stitch over. Try to keep it not too tight so that your bind off row isn't super tight. Pull just a little bit on your needle to give it a little bit more room when you're going to pass over that next one. So knit, pass it over, pull up to give it a little bit room, knit, pass over, a little bit more room. That'll ensure a not too tight bind off. And you're going to continue all the way across until your stitches are completely off. At the very last stitch, you're going to kind of pull up along, loop, cut your tail and pull it through and tighten it off. But you'll see you get that nice braided edge at the very top of it with that knit bind off. And that is your super fast stitch refresher on the Knitwise bind off. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com and thank you for watching.